now.
Albert Maring, a local youth from Bhoi district, has voiced his concerns regarding the delay in the declaration of results for the District Selection Committee DSC recruitment process, which has been pending since 2020. Speaking to media persons, Maring highlighted the negative impact that the prolonged wait is having on their career prospects and mental well-being of the youths. He has called for transparency from officials and an immediate announcement regarding the status of the DSC results.
Anda slam por hadian pat ke kapan ban dau dikan. Andai nyuma kerman bahkan namlong kumta. Kajing terpat bat kajing kentu ya ke sarkar lembaga DSC ban penstat kamkulai kat bala hakabedai bat ke recruitment proses kenang ba ki samla ki bala don kata kajing krang kajing angnut ban yo ya ke kam kejam kin yo kalat ban longkum kin tri ban pendap haki tenat bapar badon hapok ke distrik.
Meghalaya, once known for its cool climate, is